How to make money online with affiliate marketing. Are you getting bored of your 9-to-5 job and want to do something exciting to earn money online in a risk-free, fast, and secure way? Then watching this video till the end will surely help you out, since you will learn how to make lots of money online by affiliate marketing. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to show you the unmistakable way to generate an additional income stream from the comfort of your home by a completely unique form of digital marketing known as affiliate marketing. If you are interested to know the details through a step-by-step tutorial, then without wasting any more time, let's get into it right away. Affiliate marketing is not the easiest and fastest way to make money online if you don't know how to handle the whole process. Once you are aware of its secrets and how to optimize your profits from this online earning method, you're going to be exhausted counting your bucks at the end of each day. It is, however, not magic, and you have to invest some amount of money, time, and effort to succeed. But trust me, friends, if you follow whatever I show you and advise you, a hefty and easy income is just a stone's throw away. Traffic and recurrent use are two very crucial aspects for generating a good online income from affiliate marketing. No matter how beautiful and effective an ad you create, your income will not skyrocket till it reaches the maximum number of target audience by means of increased traffic on your promotional ads. And if the customer is purchasing one-time use products, you need to do the marketing and promotional stuff again and again to maintain the cash flow into your wallet. But if you can combine your target audience with their target product and service, such commodities that they need to use in their day-to-day lives instead of occasional and partial consumption, it would lead them to continue the same purchase again and again every month. Such types of promotions can maximize your profits, since you need to work only once, and the monthly income will be generated time and again because the customers are recurrently using your products. Now, after knowing all these secrets, are you curious to know how and where to do all these things in a planned way to guarantee a fixed monthly income without the requirements to toil from sunrise to sunset? Let me clear your doubts with a step-by-step tutorial on how to make money online by email marketing in an efficient way. Don't forget to stay tuned till the end. Don't skip the video, follow each and every detail so that you don't commit any mistake doing the things yourself. First of all, let me introduce the website where you can easily find lots of significant products and services that people need on a daily basis and which you can promote to earn a fixed monthly commission. It is none other than 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐤.com, your one-stop solution for identifying products of multiple brands and earning money by using or promoting them worldwide while sitting at the comfort of your room. This well-known platform is trusted by nearly 4,500 brands, including masterclass names like Dell, Walmart, Expedia gift cards, eBags, Hotels.com, and more. Here you can get paid for shopping as well as promoting the products and services to potential customers. It provides many exciting cashbacks and offers, and the simple layout and arrangement of the web content is user-friendly. One more advantage is that you can get your commission directly credited to your PayPal account or can receive it as a direct deposit. It has lots of options to choose from, and when you click the Select Category tab, a drop-down menu will appear having multiple options including kid, computer, clothing, food, finance, B2B, B2C, education hardware, auction, arts and entertainment, and 1,000 other alternatives. It's very easy to get the affiliate link of these products and services, and there is no kind of certification, verification, or filling up forms. To start earning, you just need to click the tab Promote the Product, and you will immediately receive one anytime trackable affiliate link, so that whenever someone clicks that affiliate link, you will get notified. If you have loved this idea, then please like and share the video, because I have another top service for you to promote and earn through affiliate marketing. Builderall.com is that special one I was talking about. This is a fantastic option to promote because this is an all-in-one email marketing website building platform that provides a solid affiliate program for serious online entrepreneurs. The affiliate marketers are earning from $1,500 to $500,000 USD from a single platform. Another spectacular Builderall offer provides the first-time sign-up marketer back 100% commission for whatever the customer purchases, and from next month, 30 to 40% commission will be due to them. You can also earn a percentage of profit generated by your subsidiaries if they perform well. And this pyramid scheme of earning lets you earn both from your as well as others' performance. Only choosing the right product and service will do nothing if you cannot promote it to the maximum number of consumers. For creating more traffic and targeting more potential customers, you need to open an account in Google Ads. And by searching for Google Ads coupon, you can get free credit of $100 on spending $50 to $75 for promotion. To open an account, go to the website of Google Ads through the link given in the description box below, and then select Start Campaign to create an ad campaign for your product. Next, you must choose the objective or intention behind your ad campaign. And since our target is to make money online by promoting the sales of the products and services, you must select sales. Now, you should select the type of ad campaigns, and among the 6 options of search, video, discovery, display, performance, and shopping, you should select discovery. Then in the place of mentioning a business website, you must paste the affiliate link and in the name of business, put the product or service you want to promote. You may type Builderall or any other product from 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐻 which you like the most. Next, you need to create conversion action and install tracking code so that you come to know the moments some customer does something valuable to your product and business. Don't forget to mention the top 5 countries with the most spending power, like the UK, USA, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia in the location section, and English as the language. After that, in the budget tab, you must put the daily amount ranging from at least $5 to $10 you are ready to spare, and it will show you how many clicks, traffic, conversion you're getting. Then go to the More Setting option to set the start date and end date of the ad campaign. Next, you move to the Target Audience section, where you must select the new custom segment and choose the name of the product or service you are promoting as the segment name. After that, you get to see a pair of options, and among those 2 options of choosing the target audience, people with similar interests, and people searching this interest, you must select People Searching. After that, you move to the Ad section, where you must create the ad with images, titles, subtitles, and details of the product or service you are promoting. There are suggestions in the Learn More option to create a better ad so that you can follow them and make an appealing ad even without writing on your own. Finally, you must visit the Review section to verify whether you have put all the required details or not. You must not omit or wrongly present key details like name of the product, its description, and the affiliate link. After finishing review, select the Publish Ad button, and your ad will go live when Google will check the compatibility of your ad with their terms and conditions. Your ad will reach not only personal mailboxes, but also the YouTube search and discovery section of Google, and you will get email notifications about that. Though in this method you must put some investment first from your side, you are guaranteed to get back your money if you follow my step-by-step strategy to do it. So, what was the best part of the video, and what is your feedback about this fantastic way of earning money online? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment box below. Like and share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any video from us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos coming right away. Thank you for your love and support, guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye.